Hey, it's Tim from Azalea Outdoors.
And Kevin from Corporate Plush Movie, and today we have a video that we hope you will love. Because our last hood replacement video did amazing. It's actually our only video as of the time of recording with 1,000 views. In fact, it has even more than that. And since we created it about a year ago, like 2 months early, we're 2 months late for the anniversary of the video. But we decided that we would make another hood replacement for you because you guys seem to like them.
Yep.
So which tractor are we doing it on today?
Today is a John Deere 345.
What did we do last time?
An LX 255.
Okay.
So it's actually a very similar hood, except for the 345 is water cooled, so it has a different shape on top for the radiator than the air cooled engines. So figured it'd be a good next video. So
yeah, leave a like if you enjoy. So let's get into it. So really quick before we actually get into the repair, I'm going to show you all the parts we'll need. We're not going to tell you what they are, but I'm just showing you them just so you know. We're going to explain what the pieces do and what their purpose is and what they are as we get into the video. Well, not so much what they do, because it's a hood, but still, we'll explain the parts as we go.
alright, so here we are with our 345. So I've got the original grill. That was salvageable, but the rest of the hood was junk. It's all junk, it's gone.
Unfortunately.
So what we have here is our new Flip Manufacturing lower hood, the large opening for the water-cooled engine. And then I have a good used upper hood that we salvaged from a different tractor.
Yep. And then we have this piece.
And that goes on the back of the top of the hood there.
Yep.
And then we've got our hardware. Now this is what attaches the hood to the tractor and the top to the bottom.
Yep.
I was missing some of these because of the hood being broken and missing. So we went to Lowe's and got some of these. And thankfully I threw that out in the last hood replacement video what hardware we used, because I had a hard time finding them at the hardware store, and I referenced our last video to find the part. So that was a big help. Hopefully that helps you as well.
Yep.
All right, let's get started.
So we have stickers here too, I noticed.
Oh, yeah, those are from Kumar Brothers. I love their stickers. They always come out really nice.
So go there if you want new stickers for anything, really, for tractors and stuff. That's what we use it for.
Yeah, they always come out good, don't they?
Yeah. And yeah.
So I'm going to attach the grill first. And these brackets hang just like that.
So here's a quick view from over here. Oop.
Go this way with it.
Yeah. This way you guys can see what's going on.
I can almost use your hands in here, Kay. But we'll get there.
Yeah. Maybe.
Alright, that one goes under, that one goes over.
By hand.
It's just a cumbersome piece of hardware to handle.
So So now we're putting this black piece on.
It's a deflector insulator.
Imagine an ant being like right here, and the ant just looks down, and it just is like, whoa, guys, don't look down, okay?
All right, got that on.
All right, so now what's the next step? Just attaching them together?
Now we marry the top and the bottom.
Now the ant probably fell off doing that, if they're, well, the hypothetical ant, because it wasn't actually an ant.
And I need some more of our screws that we got.
Over here, remember the kinds that we showed you in the intro? Well, not really the intro, but during the beginning of the video.
Put these four here so they match. Even though I'm in the grass, I still got my cardboard underneath this thing to keep it from scratching.
Yep. Because we can never be too safe.
Yep. Or, you know, put a blanket or something.
If we ever, because that's in case we plan to sell these ever. If we ever decide to sell these online, we want it to be in good condition.
Well, never mind selling them. I want to have a nice hood anyways.
Yeah, true, true. Even if we don't sell them.
There's more.
And now, we will put this piece onto this piece. I don't know why I'm acting so dramatic about this.
Alright, well, it's exciting to get a new hood.
True, true.
Alright, we've got our new, our used deflector installed. Our used hood top married with our hood bottom via these 8 bolts with the grill.
Just like last time, right? There were 8 last time.
Yeah, just like last time. I mean, it's pretty much the same deal except for...
except a few different...
Except for the shape of this bottom portion of the hood.
Yeah, a few slight differences make this different. Speech 100 right there. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Just like a pickup truck tailgate.
And it's still, see, look, no one's holding it. And we gotta connect the wires.
I won't bore you with the headlights.
We'll do the headlights another time. Maybe.
And see how it looks.
And if you want the headlights, we might do them. Just comment down below if YouTube lets you.
Wow, that looks pretty good, Kay.
Yeah, I have to agree. Personally, the top of it looks really well over here, but over here is a little bit of mud, or whatever that is.
Well, it'll clean up good. It's in good shape.
Yeah, we need to clean it up still, but still looks good. What do you think?
I like it.
All right.
Sticker time?
Stickers. Sticker time. Look how cool this is. John Deere Hindu. John Deere Hindu. John Deere Hindu. So we're going to put them right on here. Now I don't know the exact places yet because I'm not the one doing this. I'm being the cameraman, like always. And the one that makes these videos exciting. Oh.
That one goes right there like that.
Alright. So. Then the other one I'm guessing goes the same way, but flip. Satisfactory moment.
And again, these stickers from Kumar Brothers are so heavy duty. They're so easy to install.
But you just have to get them right.
Get them in the right place.
You know, it kind of reminds me of putting stickers on Legos.
Look at that. No air bubbles, nothing.
Yeah, see, look. Nice and smooth. Perfection.
And then we have 345 stickers that go on the same way.
Yep. They're in this package if you were wondering. Alright, so where are we going to put them on? Right near it.
So one thing we're missing in this deal is the front bumper.
Yeah, but we could buy that online another time and install it in another video maybe.
Yeah, I'm undecided whether I'm going to put that on this tractor or not.
So we're thinking of, in the future, making a video combining a bunch of small projects into one video. Because if a project isn't big enough to make its own video out of, then maybe we'll combine some of those like that into one big video filled with multiple projects.
That's a good idea.
So let us know in the comments, once again, if YouTube lets you, if you want us to do that, and we will probably do it. Insert Jeopardy theme right here. Never mind. Alright, let's stick it on. Look at that. It looks so good. See, look. Nice 345. And we'll skip the other side. And let's skip. And this is the side you already saw. I showed you it earlier, but we are finished with the job. And if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps our channel grow. And comment down below a comment question for Q&A so that we can answer your questions. We will choose the best answers that we find. We think it's going to be 2-year anniversary, which is coming up soon. And yeah, that's all from us for now.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.